Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button for more updates. As a fan of family sitcoms, I'm always on the lookout for a show that brings laughter and heart to the small screen. And with the new trailer for Shifting Gears, I think we might have just found our next favorite show. The premise, the trailer introduces us to Matt, a headstrong plastic car shop owner played by Tim Allen, who finds his life turned upside down when his estranged daughter Riley and her two children decide to move in with him. And the show promises a perfect blend of humor and heart, with Matt navigating the challenges of fatherhood and grandparenthood after years of solitude. The cast. The Shifting Gears ensemble also includes some familiar faces like Sean William Scott from American Pie, Daryl Mitchell, Maxwell Simkins, and Barrett Margolis, with a talented cast and fresh guest stars. The show aspires to offer a familiar story that resonates with multi-generational families. The trailer hints at numerous humorous scenes featuring Matt enjoying video games with his grandchildren, Riley's quick-witted retorts, and attempts to strengthen family ties. The narrative structure of Shifting Gears seems to hark back to Allen's history in television centered around families like Last Man Standing and Home Improvement. Taker. Shifting Gears signals an enticing comeback for Tim Allen, who appears set to star in a humorous sitcom filled with heartfelt instances of development and bonding within an unusual family unit. The trailer successfully prepares the audience for this unique blend of comedy and emotion. Denning's fresh exuberance harmonizes admirably with Allen's seasoned performance. Premiere date. Get ready for the sitcom's premiere on January 8th, 2025 at 8/7 on ABC, with the next day episode streaming on Hulu. I'm excited to see how this show will unfold and bring laughter and heart to our screens. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.